Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ashar from Ashar Homeopathic Clinic. Today we are going to discuss a little about mask. There's a lot of confusion regarding our mask, whether to use it or not use it. WHO itself says that a person who is infected should wear it all the time to stop the spread of the coronavirus. A healthy person, when wears it, is inhaling their own carbon dioxide, and this is causing a lot of discomfort in the person. Virus size is 1 micron. Standard mask or bandanas have passage of 3 microns. So no need to wear it when it's not necessary, and in fact that will unnecessarily cause hyperventilation. Homemade masks are more dangerous. Coronavirus travels through air. All cloth masks are useless to wear in trapping or in blocking the passage of the moisture or virus. Unless it is a N95 grade surgical mask, you will not be protected from coronavirus infection. Please don't wear it, especially when you're alone or driving or distant from people. Please remove the mask, as it is unnecessary cause inhalation of carbon dioxide. Face masks are intolerable to wear as they worsen the breathlessness. Moreover, a fraction of carbon dioxide previously exhaled is inhaled at each respiratory cycle. These two phenomena increase breathing frequency and deepness, and hence they increase the amount of inhaled and exhaled air. Especially for all the sportsmen, when you are running or jogging or walking, your oxygen requirement goes up several times, and you need to inhale that much more air to deliver the required oxygen to the body. This mask will block the oxygen intake to the lungs, so they do not recommend while exercising. It will be more stress on the respiratory muscles when you are exercising or running, and the oxygen depletion will lead into more breathlessness. So unless you are COVID-19 symptom, don't wear any mask. Only try to protect yourself or maintain the distance from the people. That means only the sick people should wear it. Mask, especially when they are meeting someone or going out. When carbon dioxide levels become excessive, a condition known as acidosis occurs. This is defined as the pH of the blood becomes less than 7.35. In addition, the body uses specific mechanism to compensate for the excessive carbon dioxide. The breathing rate and breathing volume increases, the blood pressure increases, the heart rate increases, and the kidneys bicarbonate production occurs. Blood vessels in the extremities constrict, restricting the blood flow to these body parts. At the same time, arteries in the brain, spinal cord, and heart dilate, so that more blood flows is diverted to maintain the function of these critical organs. This all mechanism leads to more hyperventilation and breathing difficulty, and the patient feels that he has got some infection, because corona symptoms also show a lot of hyperventilation, and he gets panicked and he runs to the hospital or the physician because he thinks he has been infected. So my dear friends, let's summarize this just to avoid the confusion. Wear mask in crowded place only. Avoid wearing mask when you are in a car or when you are exercising and you are alone. Don't unnecessarily take in carbon dioxide. The second thing is, it is your responsibility to wear a mask if you yourself are infected, whether it's corona or whether you just have normal cough and cold. Please wear mask, because if you don't know whether you are infected, it is better that you get protected and you don't spread the virus. So Ashar Clinic will be at your service and will put on a lot of videos. Every week we are planning to put up 2 videos on not only corona but also different diseases. So please subscribe to the channel and also press the notification button so you are updated about our new releases. Thank you.